Hi, welcome at Slimbox headquarters. Slimbox is the ideal solution for you to create packaging the right size, the right quantity, and the right kind of model. And today I'm going to talk about a glue gun, a glue solution. With our Slimbox solution, we can create a lot of different types of box models. I'll show you here. This is our catalog in our system. So you have the classical, for instance, American box. If I indicate it here, you see that we have a glue flap. And yes, you can close this with some tape. Yep, that's possible, but a glue gun would suit ideal for it. We have also, for instance, the chamber boxes like this one that can help you protect frames, and they are glued together. Let me show you how.
Okay, there's even more to say about this glue gun, this professional hot melt machine. For instance, you can buy different kind of nozzles for this. So, for instance, you have a double exit nozzle. You can use this to glue American boxes, to glue the flaps, and you have directly 2 strokes of glue. That's something. There's a way here to control your melting point. Okay, now we're using hot glue for corrugated, but if you're using especially glue, for instance, from Techbond also, that has to glue ceramics or wood, it's another kind of glue, another kind of melting point, and you can control this with one machine. Suppose you forget to turn off your machine at the end of your working day. That's not an issue because the machine is smart enough to turn itself off, or if you're not using it for a certain amount of time, it will get into an eco modus and you will save power, so you'll lose less. You see here, that's a hole. This is an attachment that you can use with a certain kind of pulley that you don't have to put physically your glue gun next to your working station, so it can be suspended if you work a lot with it. It's easier. So you see there's a little bit of everything. Here, this wheel, you can control the amount of glue you get here with your trigger. Okay, that's something. And there are some different gluing techniques also. What is good about this compared to this one is that you have a lot of control. So with this glue gun, you have to try and push a lot, and then you get something ugly like this. With our Tech 3400, we can choose to have a very thin line that will glue quite immediately. Or if it's, for instance, EB, you can choose to have more glue to be used. If you use this to glue, for instance, ceramics, it could be easy to apply dots like this. So you can, it easily goes in the not flat surface that you're gluing. So with this, everything is possible, and the machine has power enough to heat the glue in a fast way. You see, I still got almost half of a cartridge here in the container. But what I want to show you also is that you can recharge it. Okay, almost two, but that you can, if it's almost gone, you can recharge a second one, put it in your machine, and then you can keep on working and working without that. While you're at a job, you have to recharge like this kind of machine. Okay, maybe important to say also is that here we have 20 grams of glue. This one cartridge, this is 65 grams, so it will last more than 3 times. You can glue more than 3 times this in a month. Let's be honest, glue guns got a terrible reputation, and that is simply because we are used to this small hobby and crafts kind of things with these 11 millimeters glue sticks, and the problem is that it takes forever before the glue is dry. So to be honest, don't use this in a professional environment. It's just not good. But what I'm talking about is these kind of guns. These are professional kind of guns. We use the Tech 3400, and which is even more important, we use special glue for it. It's a Tech Bond, specially made for corrugated, and the drying point is almost immediately. So if you use these ones, it can take up to 40 seconds before there is glue and it's fixed. And this one you count up to 3 and it works. Proof of the pudding is in the eating. So how do we do it? We're just going to glue it on the glue flap. Just small amounts of glue. 1, 2, 3, and it's attached, and then you just can construct the rest of the box, fill it up and send it to your customers. So that's a great solution. I'm going to do this again with the 2 kinds of glue, just to make a comparison. And I just printed from our Slimbox a FEFCO 403, that's the chamber box. So first I'm going to show you how I do it with the professional glue gun, how easy this will stick. Don't use too much glue, just enough. 1, 2, 3, it's attached, won't get loose again. I do the same with my hobby and crafts kind of glue. Have to push a lot to get some glue out. It's not ergonomic. And then we have to wait forever before it stick yet. Well, you see, it's not a good solution.
So as a conclusion to this video, should you invest in a hot melt glue gun like this? I can only say that with its budget of around 400 euros, you will add a lot of flexibility to your packaging process. The boxes that you will close with this gun will look stunning, beautiful, crisp, so your customers will notice it. As it is a professional machine, it offers also a working comfort. The speed of gluing is almost comparable to using the classical tape solutions. With its specialized glue, it sticks almost immediately. So as a conclusion, yes, I think you should invest in this. Thank you for watching, and see you again at the Slimbox.